You worked hard, Emma. I'm proud of you.
Thanks, Dad. I really tried.
Dad always praises Emma.
Eat your breakfast, Jack. Stay calm.
Do not worry. I know what I am doing.
Jack, do not push it near the shelf.
Jack, you broke it on purpose.
Stay quiet. Mom will blame you.
Jack saw what happened.
I did not do it. Please listen to me.
Clean this mess now, Emma.
But Mom, I did not do it.
Mom believed me again.
You know I am innocent.
Emma broke the frame. She denied it.
I will talk to her now. Emma, did you break the frame?
No, Dad. Jack broke it.
Stop blaming Jack. Clean the rest.
Dad, I am telling the truth.
Finish cleaning, Emma.
Yes, Dad.
You cannot prove anything.
The truth will come out.
No television this weekend.
But I did nothing wrong.
She has no television this weekend.
Maybe she will learn from this.
Are you still angry?
I am hurt because you lied.
You should stop blaming me.
You should stop lying.
Do not make another mess.
Mind your own work.
Jack, you did that on purpose.
Mom will blame you again.
Look at this mess, Emma.
Jack spilled it, not me.
Emma made another mess.
I will speak to her. Emma, did you spill the juice?
No, Dad. Jack did it.
Your cloth is beside the spill.
Jack put it there. There is juice on your sleeve. That proves nothing. You are hiding the proof. No one will believe you.
Clean it well, Emma.
You made this mess. Clean every drop, Emma.
I will clean it.
Finish your school project now.
Yes, Dad. I will.
Your project looks very good.
I still need to finish it. Please do not touch my project.
I am only looking.
Emma, please bring these plates.
I am coming, Mom.
Now she will get blamed again.
Jack, why did you break it?
You left it like this. Mom, Emma broke her project. Why would she do that? Why did you ruin your project?
Jack broke it while I was away.
Fix this project before evening.
But Jack broke it, Mom.
Emma ruined her project and blamed Jack.
I will talk to her. Why did you damage your project?
Jack did it while I helped Mom.
Repair it before this evening.
No one is listening to me.
They believed me again.
I will remember everything.
What are you writing?
I am writing the truth. Do not touch my notebook.
It will not help you. Mom will still believe me.
Not forever.
Stop talking and repair it.
I am working, Mom. This came from Jack's shirt.
You still cannot prove it. You think you are clever.
I only want the truth.
Why are you saving that tiny red fiber?
Because it may finally prove what you did. Stay away from my bag, Jack. Do not touch it.
Relax. I was only moving it out of the way.
Stop wasting time, Emma. Start fixing the project now. I am fixing it, Mom. I am doing my best.
The repair looks much better now, Emma. Good work.
Thank you, Dad. I am really trying my best.
You really think those little clues will save you?
I only want everyone to know the truth. Move away from my bag, Jack. I saw what you did.
I did not touch it. The bag moved by itself.
You will not take my notes or my evidence.
You are worried for no reason. Those notes cannot help you.
Stop accusing Jack again. You always blame him.
He pulled my bag with his foot. I saw him do it.
Stop accusing Jack again. You always blame him.
He pulled my bag with his foot. I saw him do it. You did not get the evidence. It is still safe.
You cannot guard that bag every minute of the day.
Let the glue dry for a while. You can take a short break.
Okay, Dad. I will take my bag and rest for a little while.
Please leave me alone for a while. I do not want another argument.
Why are you hiding from me? What are you doing inside your room?
I must keep this safe. Maybe Dad will finally listen when I show him everything.
She hid the evidence inside this room. I must find it before she shows Dad. Mom, Emma closed her door and hid something inside her room.
She may only want some privacy. Leave her alone for a little while. I will write every detail clearly, so Dad can understand the truth. The order is clear now.
Emma, you look very upset. Are you feeling all right?
Dad, I need to tell you something important. Please listen to me. Dad, Mom needs your help in the kitchen. She said it is important.
Tell her I am coming. I will return and listen to Emma.
Emma, lunch is almost ready. Please bring the napkins and glasses.
Okay, Mom. I will close my notebook and come with you.
She hid the evidence in this drawer. It must be inside that pouch.
Without this paper, Emma cannot prove what I did.
Why were you inside my room? You know you cannot enter without asking.
I was only looking for my pencil. I did not touch anything.
The folded evidence is gone. Jack was inside my room, and now it is missing.
Maybe you moved it and forgot. Check your things carefully before blaming Jack.
Give back the folded paper. I saw you leaving my room, and now it is gone.
You cannot prove I took anything. You are only guessing again.
That folded paper is mine. I saw it coming out of your pocket.
You are imagining things again. There is nothing in my pocket.
Dad, please look at Jack's pocket. My folded paper is inside it.
Jack, stay where you are. Do not hide anything.
Show me what is inside your pocket, Jack. Take your hand away.
It is only a piece of paper, Dad. It is not important.
Jack, the folded paper is falling out. Do not hide it from me.
It is not Emma's paper. It does not belong to her.
Why was Emma's folded paper hidden inside your pocket?
I found it near the hallway. I was going to return it later. The red fiber inside came from Jack's sweatshirt. I found it in the wet glue and hid it in my drawer.
Then why did Jack have this paper? I need the full truth now. Why did you enter Emma's room and take this paper from her drawer?
I only found it near the hallway. I did not take it from her drawer.
First you said you entered her room to find a pencil. Now you say you found this in the hallway.
I was confused, Dad. I do not remember exactly where I found it.
Emma, please bring me the notebook where you wrote every incident.
I wrote everything clearly, Dad. I will bring it now. I wrote every time Jack made a problem and blamed me for it.
I will read every detail carefully before I make another decision.
Emma recorded the same pattern in every incident, and Jack's explanations keep changing.
Maybe I judged Emma too quickly. I should have listened before believing Jack.
Jack, come back to the table. We need the complete truth about everything.
Why are you questioning me again? I already told you what happened.
Jack, did you enter Emma's room and open her desk drawer?
I only went inside to find my pencil. I was not trying to cause trouble.
This red fiber matches the color and fabric of your sweatshirt.
A red fiber could come from anywhere. That does not prove I broke the project.
How did you know the paper was inside my zip pencil pouch? I never told you.
I only guessed. You always keep important things inside your school supplies.
Only the person who opened Emma's drawer could know about that pencil pouch.
I entered her room and took the paper. I did not think everything would become this serious.
Tell me the whole truth, Jack. Start from the very first thing you did.
I broke the family frame on purpose, Dad. Then I lied and said Emma did it.
Tell me honestly, Jack. Did Emma really spill the orange juice?
No, Mom. I spilled it, wiped my sleeve, and placed the cloth near Emma so you would blame her.
Why did you destroy my project and make everyone blame me again?
I was jealous when Dad praised you. I damaged the project and stole the evidence because I wanted you to be blamed.
I am very sorry, Emma. I believed the accusations and did not listen when you told me the truth.
I felt completely alone, Dad. It hurt when no one believed me.
I am sorry, Emma. I kept believing Jack and punished you without listening to the truth.
The chores were hard, but not being believed hurt me much more.
Jack must repair the harm he caused, apologize honestly, and earn everyone's trust again.
And we must listen carefully and check the truth before blaming either child again.
You will apologize to Emma, clean this area, help repair her project, and lose game time today.
I understand, Dad. I will accept the consequence and try to make things right.
I am sorry I lied, damaged your things, stole your evidence, and made you feel alone.
Your actions made me feel unsafe and unheard in my own home. I need time before I can trust you again. You must show change through your actions.
I understand. I will prove that I can change by being honest every day.
I will clean this area and put every tool back carefully where it belongs.
Start with the tools and do not touch the wet part of the project.
Tell me what to do next. I want to help properly.
Hold this piece completely steady while I attach it.
Trust returns when your honest actions continue every single day.
I understand, Dad. I will keep showing that I can change. I will listen to both sides and check the truth before deciding.
That will help me feel safe, respected, and included in this family. If this story taught you something, please subscribe to our channel. And tell us in the comments which city you are watching from.
Never judge anyone before listening carefully and checking the complete truth.
And never stop speaking honestly, even when people do not believe you.